Hey guys, welcome. Today we're actually going to be unboxing the brand new Surface Pen. If you do end up buying one of these and you're curious as to what you will get inside the box, let's just open that up and you have this gorgeous black colored Surface Pen. This attaches magnetically to the tablet on one side. There you go, it's attached. Within the box itself, furthermore, you have again paperwork. This is going to probably be usage manuals, how to use this, how to charge it, maintenance guide, and a piece of warranty instructions. So what is the warranty liability like, etc, etc. So that's it. So this is, most of us won't ever read this, but that's all right. In terms of the stuff that you will actually use and stuff that you should actually be concerned with, this is all you get. So that's it. That's a quick look at the unboxing of the Surface Pen. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.